Hello everyone. The question is how to read and import a CSV file from your hard disk into Pandas data frame format. Well, first we need to import Pandas library. Import Pandas as PD. Next, we can use the read CSV method in Pandas to read the file. So table is pd dot read CSV, and in the argument you can put the path to the file on the hard disk. So in this case, it's going to be this. So when you read it, you actually have imported the table. So if you print the table, here you go. So you have different months for your columns and different years for the rows. Well, this could be the number of rainy days in the town per month and per year. You notice that the first column label is named like unnamed. We probably want to change it and call it year because it's our year column. So this is how we do it. So we do table dot rename. We're going to change the column label. So column is, so here we put the new name and the older name. So the new name is going to be year. The older name we copy it from here and we put it there. And let's not forget to use in place argument and set it to true. And if you now print your table, the first column is gonna be year. So this is how you could import a CSV file and you could modify the column or row labels, and now it's your data frame is ready for further processing. Thank you so much for watching.